Hello everyone, this is my review of these men's casual shorts. The shorts are made of cotton. They have elastic waistbands and also have the drawstring if you need to have some extra tightness there, but you don't really need drawstrings. They have pockets on both sides of it and one back pocket as well. You can use these shorts for like athletic events or going to the beach, chilling out around the house. As you can see, it has a really good fit. Feels nice. Is very breezy, so it'll keep you cool during the summer months. They have several different colors you can choose from. I just got the blue and black for now, but I probably will be getting more. So I hope this review helps.